Just explosive. How are you, Marjan? I am muted because I have a video karaoke here. I am muted because of the video karaoke. Okay, so thank you for visiting me, and I appreciate that, Marjan. Thank you so much. Hi, Candy. Thank you for the like 15. Hey, boss, Ran. Good morning, boss. I'm doing good. It's so cold here and snowing today. Oh, in your place, Marjan. Here, no snow, no snowing here. My friend Marjan. Ayan. Oh, nana sila. Ayan. Nana sila, Bin. Sila na, Bin. Ayan. This is shopping. No shopping. I'm here at my cousin because praying for the souls of my auntie here. So, yeah, good morning you, boss Ran. Good evening to my side. Yan, that's my relatives, that's my cousin. Yan, oh. Oh, painting now, painting new business. Nice. Ano nagikuha doon eh? Musibog lang guna sila dere. Ha? Yeah, that's my auntie. Get it ready for, okay, helping cousin siya. Ano, yeah. You know, boss Ran, my cousin is, she's working at the Los Angeles, California. Oh, beautiful family. Hello, auntie. Sana all. Yan, and this is the OMG. No snowing here in the Philippines. Look, yeah, that's my cousin. Hi, good evening, Ma'am Marian. Hi, Jeff. Ayan, mag-silent na ko ha, kay mag-start na mo ang rosary, novena, praying. Ayan, pasok na ako, pasok. Thumbs love. Uy, thank you, Jeff. Thank you. Wait lang.